about the image that the team had, which are the things that you keep from the first 60 minutes and also from the second part of the 60 minutes of the game?
I don't have things to keep. It's a training, it's a combination of players, it's to understand how the new guys could create and when could create connection with the others, because as individual, let's say that I appreciated a lot the work of Taylor and Greg, but on the same time John Joe and Greg, but on the same time I can tell you that was a little bit more difficult, the connection, because Tyson, which is very used to, is Baba on that side. The defenders, Miha with Bataulas, it's a little bit more complicated, because both of them, they need close player that could lead the defense. And so we understand first of all this aspect. The second is the minutes that we gain from one training to the other, from one friendly game to the other, minutes for players. And it's more or less this, the connection between, and how fast could learn Anestis in front me to, as a striker, the work and the job and the responsibilities that has a striker in our team. This is in the first half, and the second half, okay, other situations with Kirill that started on the left side, because I felt that he needed something to change and to come with freshness in his game, and he made a good part. Chalov, to also him to improve in his effort, his runnings, because still he doesn't have this easiness of pressing and closing, but he forced a lot himself. And, more or less this, Meite to gain more time, 90 minutes, because he's a body that needs different kind of preparation and to be with more effort, and we managed him for 90 minutes. Baba to play with a different player than Tyson. So are more or less this story. As I finish after you finish and we go home.